Rebuild emotional safety. When you've been betrayed, your internal world can feel like chaos. You might question your judgment, your instincts, and even your sanity. So, the second category of recovery activities focuses on rebuilding emotional safety, the kind you carry inside you. Here are a few practices to consider. Journaling. Use some basic, small prompts for journaling. Try, what am I feeling right now? What do I need today? What helped me survive yesterday? You don't have to write a novel. Even a few honest sentences can create space inside yourself. Journaling gives your swirling thoughts a place to land and helps you hear your own voice again, clearly and without interruption. Set simple boundaries. In early recovery, boundaries aren't about punishment, they're about protection. Try something like no conversations about our relationship after 8 p.m. I don't respond to texts that make me feel unsafe. Or I give myself permission to pause before answering questions. Boundaries help you reclaim agency. They reduce emotional overload and remind you that you get to decide what's safe and what's not. Also, you might want to consider grief check-ins. Betrayal brings loss of dreams, safety, identity, and future plans. Give yourself permission to say what you're mourning today. Naming it might soften it. Grief isn't weakness. It's evidence of love, and it takes a tremendous amount of courage. When you name your losses, you honor the reality of what you've lived through, and you begin to release it or lay it down. How about truth-telling time? Set a timer for 10 minutes. Speak or write exactly what you're thinking, unedited, no audience, no filter. You can tear it up or delete it afterward. Trauma teaches us to hide or second-guess our reality. Telling the truth, even just to yourself, restores clarity and builds self-trust. Peer connection. Might I encourage you to just listen to someone else's story, perhaps through a podcast, a book, or in a support group? You don't have to speak yet, just listen. When you hear someone else name the things that you thought were unspeakable, shame loses its grip, and you begin to believe, maybe I'm not alone after all.